What's up, guys? What's up, guys? We're back again. We're back again with another one. We are back again. Boo, 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 boo. Yeah, we're back again with another Sgidongo. We're back with another Sgidongo type vibe. The likes of Hotfurze, LOWBASS, Scroofu, you know. Yeah, Skidongo, Joe. Skidongo, Mdutuzi. Yeah, so we're gonna start with like the walkover or the walkthrough of how I made this one. Cause I made it just now. I just thought or marajo since Kiras Kitongo. Why tutorial mar. You've been loving the first one. You've been loving the first one. Thank you very much. Just shout out. I see the love that you've been showing me, the follows, the subs, the comments. I've been seeing the comments, the views. Thank you. Shout out. Shout out. I love you guys. I love Kalarato, love. Okay, yeah, let's start. I started with like 2 loops, you know. Skidongo is more loop based, like it's more percussion. So I started with this loop. Yeah, so I started with like simple loops. Let's go over this side. Then I added this smooth hats. Yeah, then I added these heads. Yeah, just really basic stuff, really basic. Then I added a chord progression. Then I added a chord. Yeah, really basic chords. Let me jump over the side. So here I added, I don't know what's this. It's like arpeggiators and a lead. So I also added this bass. I also added this. It's a bass, but I used it as a like a lead. Then I also added these kind of boxes. Yeah, so this part I changed up the bass. I added a more pungent one. And I saw some of you wanted my sample pack, the presets I use, the things I tend to use. Yeah, I'm making sure that I'm compiling a sample pack for you guys to get this things easy. So I don't know when I'm gonna be done with it, but probably before, I don't know, like maybe in 2 weeks, because I just gotta compile it. My own loops are here. I use my own loops. Let me show you. I have my own loops. I have my own sample pack. It's just that I haven't like really put a lot of things. You see, I have my own loops.
Our combos.
You know, I have my own pack. It's just that I haven't really like put a lot of things, chord progressions. I haven't really like made it into it like a thing, you know. But yeah, soon, guys. So yeah, here I played around with the bass. Yeah, and if you know me, I like to like double the shakers. I don't know why I like doing this, but it's just the same shaker. I just doubled it twice. Yeah, and I removed the reverse or whatever. Yeah, it sounds like this. Wait. I added the percussions and the snares and yeah. Yeah, so this side, I added, this one, the machine. So I added that. I also added these snares. Yeah, I also added that, and I changed up the bass. I don't really change a lot about the bass. I just added more presets to make it sound more thicker. Yeah, really basic stuff. I'm just showing y'all like sgidongo is not that hard. It's just a feel. Yeah. And I also added these keys. Yeah, that's about it, guys. That's about it. Yeah, thank you for joining, guys. Thank you for joining. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and make sure to comment like what you want to see next. If you want to see like, I don't know what, but like if you want to see something, tell me in the comments. I'm sure gonna make it. Yeah. Thank you for tuning in. It's your boy Combos. 365 Mazaziga will para. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Pow, 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 chicka, boom, boom, boom. That's not bad. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, good, goodest. Signing out.